Hello viewers, in this video we are going to draw factorial and permutation and combination. Permutation and combination. So what do we mean by factorial? A factorial is something uh, that keeps on multiplying by the number that is 1 less than it, and then again by the number that is 1 less than the another number, and so on until 1. Suppose we have to find the n factorial. So factorial can be represented by two symbols like this or like this. So in this thing we will do n minus 1 n minus 2 dot dot 2 dot 1. So that is n factorial. And permutation means to arrange something, and the formula for permutation and p are select arranging r at a time out of n objects. The formula for this is n factorial divided by r factorial, that is the n minus r factorial. That is the formula for permutation. So suppose there are 20 people and we want to arrange them in such a way we are taking 4 people at a time. Then the formula for this is 20 factorial divided by 16 factorial. Solve it and you will get your answer. And what if we take all at a time? Let's say there are 20 people and we are taking 20 at a time. Then the obvious answer would be 20 factorial divided by 20 minus 20 factorial, that is 20 factorial divided by 0 factorial. 0 factorial is nothing but 1, that we get 20 factorial. So then if we are taking all the items at a time or people or any arrangement and performing an arrangement, then the formula for this is n factorial. Okay, so now if we look at one thing is of one kind, r1 kind, and second is r2 kind, third is r3 kind, then on the formula to solve it is n factorial divided by r1 into r2 into r3 and so on. And now moving to combination. The factorial had to do something with arrangement, and combination has to do with selection. So what is the formula for combination? The formula for combination is NCR, and it is n factorial divided by r factorial into n minus r factorial. And if we are selecting r people or r things at a time, so that is the formula for combination. And what about if we select all the things at the same time? Then the formula becomes NCR n factorial divided by r factorial, because n minus n would be 0 factorial and that would become 1. So these are the formulas that we are going to use to solve the two questions. So now I am going to solve the two questions based on the permutation and combination. So the first question goes like this: we need to evaluate 50 factorial divided by 48 factorial. It is not a typical problem 50 into 49 into 48 factorial divided by 48 factorial. If we cancel it out, then we will get 50 into 49. Solve it and get your answer. Now the second problem consists of two parts, 5p5 and 50p3. So as we have seen, if n and r are equal, then the formula is n factorial, that means 5 factorial, and that means 120 is the answer. And 50p3, 50 factorial 5 minus 3 factorial, that means 50 into 49 into 48 into 47 into 47, and then solve it and get your answer. So I have solved two problems based on permutation and combination and explained the same concept to you. Hope you like this video.